flavors, right? So we got that ready.
So you got a piece of dental floss.
Yeah. Kind of I make it longer so that it's easier to deal with it. You kind of spread it out and then put the knot just below where you're gonna tie. And then when you tie, I don't know if it's called a square knot. Do it twice, I guess.
The surgeon's knot.
Oh, is that what it is?
Pulled it through 2 times.
Yeah. And usually this thing is supposed to wrap around it. So I make sure that it kind of goes over the knot. And then 2 times, yeah, the surgeon's knot.
Why do you like dental floss? Because it's grippy.
Grippy.
Do you take it off after or just leave it?
No, I cut it. And then it gets buried underneath.
Oh.
So now the knot is inside. Can pull it over, yeah?
It's like a wig on a doll's head.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oops. Then I get this one and I just lay it down and then start wrapping.
How many times do you like to wrap? Like 20?
Actually, maybe depends.
Oh, how thick you want
Yeah,
it.
yeah. But usually if I do a whole bunch, then I count and then I make sure that I have it consistent. Yeah. Then the last wrap, I try to keep it at the bottom so that. Then I have the needle. Just go underneath the threads, and you try to come up through the knot somewhere. Oh, I didn't do a good job in wrapping the knot. You've seen these things, huh?
I just use my pliers.
Oh.
My Chino's plier. Just grab it and I yank it through. That's cool. What is that?
That is a group of, well, you can have that one. I have many of those. Those are for needlepoint where you pull needles through it.
Cool. A new tool I've never seen.
Oh, I didn't quite tie it. I did a better job on this side. But basically that's it. And then just use the pet comb and then just trim it.
You just pull that. You didn't make a knot or anything special.
No.
Just pull that thread through.
Right through the knot.
That's it.
Yeah. And then, you know, the first one is just line, and then you wrap right over it, so it shouldn't go anywhere. And then you pull right through, and then it shouldn't go anywhere.
Okay.
I've never had a tassel unravel, so.
Well, this one matches your outfit. That's Florence. And that's how she makes tassels in less than 3 minutes.
She done?
Yeah. I have made hundreds of these things, you know, for egg ornaments and stuff.
Go get them.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Here, I give you that. You can